So today I want to talk about Tekton. Now, I am a big fan of Tekton. I actually purchased about $300 worth of Tekton tools a couple weeks ago and I've been using them. My only issue with Tekton, I mean, they make a very high quality tool for the price. And my only issue with them is this composite ratchet. The reason for that is, if you look at it and you look closely, I mean everything, even the lever, it is more or less identical to the Pittsburgh Pro composite ratchet. So I think more or less these were made in the same factory. Different skins, same mechanisms and all that. Even the directional switch. The directional switch is actually, it's reversed from standard ratchets. Now, it may be a dick move on my part, but I emailed Tekton inquiring about the directional switch, and the reply I received was there is no standard for directional switches, it's just not what you're used to. Well, I beg to differ because most ratchets out there, this would be tightening, but it's loosening. So, I mean, ultimately, in my opinion, it's an unspoken standard that ratchets like this Tekton 90 tooth 18 inch, as you see, this is loosening and this is tightening, and as you see, they're both going the same direction. So, like I've said, that is more or less what Tekton told me. They told me there is no written standard, which is very true, but it's like an unspoken rule. So, that leads me, once again, to believe that this Tekton composite ratchet is made in the same factory as this Pittsburgh Pro. I think that's it for today. In the next video, I will have more Tekton tools to review and some that I actually love.